Good morning. It's 9 a.m., 8 degrees outside. We're going flying. It's Saturday, by the way, so we're going to have 2 days of flying. Batteries, drone, charger, goggles, controller. We're good. We have a slightly smaller course today. Gonna be less speed, more technical stuff, more fun. Rundt. Over.
Many tic-tacs later.
Ikke på høyre, for da krasjer vi.
I'ma kick back when you fake like that. Back when you fake like that. When you fake like that. When you fake like that. I'ma kick back when you fake like that. Head out of the game, I don't play that fact. I'ma kick back when you fake like that. Head out of the game, I don't play that fact. When you fake like that. Head out of the
And we are done for today, and it's only Saturday, so we're gonna get at it tomorrow as well. Course was good, broke the dive gate, so that got cancelled thankfully. The mission for today was actually to learn the course and get through it without any problems, and I managed to do that. Spoon, I think I got down to 22 seconds per lap. Mr. Pro here, Jacob, was down at 14 point something seconds. That's crazy fast. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and I'll put up some more there.
The next morning.
Day 2 and a new track. Let's check it out, see how it looks. Interesting. This is gonna be fun. we're done. Sun is set, we've packed up and about to head home. It's been one hell of a good day actually. Lap times were good, a lot of good points from the guys. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, so less throttle on the stretches and more throttle in the turns. I think I shaved my time from 26 seconds to 21, 22, something like that. Super happy, super happy. Just bummed that the day's over, but next week. I said that next time would be inside, but we're still outside because the weather is decent. Sun is shining, it's not hot, but it's not cold either. It's 9-10 degrees, something like that. So we'll stick to outside until it's too cold, and then inside with 3 inches and 2.5. I hope you like the content. If you want to see anything else, give me a shout, and subscribe, like, all that crap. And I'll see you in the next one.
Bye! Bye!
Oh yeah, before I forget, be a shit pilot. Very important. Bye.